Checkpoint 12.3.2. This is question C. So if you look at line number 16, we are dealing with the string. So if you remember the string, the first character is actually index 0. This is index 1, this is index 2. So we have indexed 0, 1, and 2. And then next line, line number 17, we are trying to access character at index 3, okay? It means there is no such thing called index 3. So what will happen is it's going to have very similar to array, but we call it as a string index out of bounds exception, okay? So here is the one, string index out of bounds exception, very similar to array. So that's the, so if you want to use exception handling, we say try catch, okay, the exception, string index out of exceptions, ex. So we can say ex to string. Of course, you like to print, it's up to you. So this way we can actually run the program even though exception happens. Okay, here. And then description, index 3 out of bounds for length 3 because we have up to length number 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Of course, if you have index 2, nothing will happen, so I will just print C. Okay, no exceptions because we have index value number 2, which is going to be character C. We undo. Okay, that's all. Thank you.